Stock market at crossroads. Nifty bulls hold ground, key FOMC insights and sector buzz ahead. GIFT Nifty is indicating that Nifty bulls are likely to hold the ground in today's trade. The biggest positive takeaway is that the S&P 500 hit a fresh all-time peak in overnight trade. All hopeful eyes turn towards US and Russian officials meeting at Saudi Arabia for peace talks, the first high-level talks between the US and Russia on the conflict since Russia's 2022 invasion ended on Tuesday. Kremlin foreign policy aide Yuri Ushakov said they discussed a summit between Trump and Putin, but it was unlikely to take place next week. Now, this week's biggest catalyst surrounds around the FOMC minutes to trickle in this Wednesday, 19th February. The FOMC minutes are likely reveal a hawkish Federal Reserve and affirm the diminished expectations for interest rate reduction this year. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 4787 crores, while DIIs too net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3072 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are aiming for lower high-low on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.66 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand, now at 87. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.80 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.69. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is quite likely, but that said, Nifty bulls may regroup on any excessive declines. Nifty, CMP to 2945. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,725 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,250 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22750 and 23150. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 49087. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 48,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,900 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,500 and 49500. Bias for the day is neutral. The big question, have bears paused for now? Well, the last two trading sessions at Dalal Street indicates that calm has returned to Dalal Street as aggressive traders start to digest that Trump tariffs were over-exaggerated with more bar than bite. Meanwhile, Nifty continues to trade below its psychological 23,000 mark. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,057 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. The Q3 India's corporate earnings results have come to an end. Now here are some stock-specific news. 1. TVS Supply Chain Solutions, plus 3.89%. Stock price is in limelight following a fresh 20 lakh shares stake acquisition by TVS Motors Company. 2. NTPC, plus 2.93%, was a big outperformer in yesterday's trade following the news that the Maharatna company is looking to build 30 gigawatts of nuclear power capacity over the next 2 decades. 3. Karnataka Bank, minus 2.34%, slipped on Tuesday and hit a 52-week low after the bank found certain deficiencies in the reconciliation process during its review of suspicious UPI global transactions.